RCT presents the single platform fleet management system for your entire fleet. Do you want to maximize the utilization of your mobile fleet? Know who's operating each machine, its activity and live location? Want a true global fleet management system with real-time, in-depth information to assist decision making? Do you want the ability to visualize your mobile and fixed assets data with automated reporting and email alerts? SmarTrack Fleet Management is the answer. Your business will be able to manage any and all of its mobile equipment anywhere in the world using RCT's SmarTrack. With 48 years of experience, multiple offices around the world, and customers in over 70 countries, RCT is an Australian technology company with solutions for a range of industries, including mining, construction, material handling, and forestry.
At RCT, we have a dedicated, experienced team that was behind the development of the web-based SmarTrack system. And now, we have over 8,000 units deployed throughout Australasia.
SmarTrack is robust and can withstand the most rugged environments. Easy to use onboard user interface console for the machine operator. Simply turn ignition on, authenticate, answer a tailored checklist for that machine, and commence operation. SmarTrack will provide the ability to log in from any connected device. Running on 3G, 4G or Wi-Fi networks, the system offers an encrypted coverage regardless of your area infrastructure. SmarTrack empowers your business with full control of data and machine assets. Allocate multiple geofences for equipment requiring speed control within specific areas. Multilingual user interface for both operators and managers. SmarTrack provides vital information for better managing personnel and machine compliance with features such as email alerts. The system tracks events and delivers rapid alerts when an event occurs, including bypass detection, checklist, excess idle, and impact. Global reporting. The easy-to-read reporting feature displays data from multiple sites, which is very powerful for comparisons and exception detection. Category management. You can sort your equipment and assets into categories. Operator management. Allocate operators to access specific equipment, enhancing security measures. Even be informed and action the current status of your machines with the out of service feature. And with SmarTrack's built-in geolocation feature, you can track and locate your equipment in real time. The unique and tailored SmarTrack fleet management system allows secure control and ownership of each and every mobile asset. You'll be aware of the exact location of machines and how it's been utilised for better compliance management.